we started the dates aspect by assigning the start date and end dates for the 6-month-old period, and then we are creating the random dates and assigning them to the visit date variable. So it's visit date that will be in the column of the Excel sheet that will be exporting. Okay, so we are trying to the integer form of the start dates and the integer form of the end dates. Okay, we're up to here, and then no, I don't want your suggestions. And then we are now using the, let me see if anything, if it's gonna print. I wanted to include as many arguments as possible.
Print visit date.
Yeah. Let me see how many. Yeah, so see now I wanted to convert these seconds, right? That I have up there. So where do we include it? After the blue, we now do n, Abi, n equal to, okay, yeah, let's see if n will work here so that it will drag our 300 down. So he's giving us the dates and also telling us that down to the second that the person came. Do you feel better at all with this?
Yes, I feel better. Then I was thinking that the code is going to give us 300. But what I'm seeing here is not up to 300. I thought the N represents our 300 number. So
So
how do
look at what he's giving you. He's giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 from the beginning, 10 from the ending. That's why there is a dot 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 here, showing that there is data in between. So let us ask it to give us 300 and see if it will still give me this thing. So see 100 is giving us 100. As long as you enter N, it will give you 300. Don't worry yourself. This thing is a placeholder for the data in between. Sure you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's use area, or should we use local government or state or streets? What do you guys think we should use? Area. So you talked about New Haven, yeah?
Yes.
New Haven. What else?
Maybe let's use Texas.
Texas street. Okay, Texas area. 3 more.
Bridgehead.
Bridgehead.
Stone Age.
Stone Age.
Stone Age.
CONAID.
STON.
Oh, Stone Age. Okay. Stone Age. Stone Age. Is this it? Okay.
Maryland.
Maryland. Maryland. Perfect. Perfect. So we have 5 now. And then we do what? Do you guys remember how so let's just assign the weights to them like we did the other time. They are 5 now, so we can just do 0.2 across board, right? Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. 0.2. 0.2. 0.2. 0.2. 0.2. That's 5. And then we include our n. through the key like we talked about in the list. And then let's print and see. I hope there is no error. Please just go. Okay, perfect. So we are fine. So the next one should be, are they vaccinated for COVID? Remember, we're talking about the COVID era, right? Vaccinated or not? Or not? This should be pretty simple. We'll just use the yes or no. Okay. So we do vaccinated equal to random choices. Random choices. This AI is just stressing me. I don't want suggestions. I need to turn it off. So we want to, it's actually giving me what I want, but I want 0.5 and so random choices. So the first choice is a yes, and the second choice is a no. And I want to also weigh them. Okay, so I want to weigh them. So what percentage should we assign to each of them, guys?
0.3.
Of yes, 0.3. And then no, 0.7. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's cool. So we just put back our N. All right. So let's print vaccinated. All right. So 70% were not vaccinated. So which other variable should we include before we print our data set? Did we have, okay, let's do body mass index, which is the last one we should do. Let's not. So body mass index. So BMI, we'll just do, instead of random integer, guys, because BMI has decimals. I don't know if Onyi is there. Onyi, are you still here?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So because BMI has integer, you're a nurse, you understand that it does. So we're using uniform. Uniform is the aspect that gives you floats instead of integers. Okay, whole number. So we have decimals in body mass index, is it not?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So what's the lower range? What's the ideal cutoff for the lower band and the higher band of body mass index?
18.
Okay, that's between 18 and 18.5, and then the higher one is what?
30.
30. I think it's between 28 and okay. So we're saying give us numbers between. So we want some people to be underweight. We don't want a perfect data set. Between 16 and 30, give us, and then give us 300 of it. Okay. So let's print BMI. So you can see. What do we name it?
We call it healthcare data set.
Okay, healthcare data set equals. So we are using pandas. Remember, the first variable.
Hospital ID.
So what do you want us to call it? Is it still hospital ID?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Hospital number.
Okay, so hospital number. So the what is on this side is what we are assigning what we already have to be. So we want hospital ID, which is what Mimi, is it Mimi that has hospital ID?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Mimi, hospital ID is what you have, the one in white. What we want to call it is what is in the string. So we are naming it hospital number now. So everything hospital ID now will now be named hospital number. So when we download our data set, what will be on the column will be hospital number. Okay. So the next one would be
The age.
age. Okay, that's the age. So what are we calling it? Same thing. Age. Okay. So
Then
age.
sex.
Hmm?
Then next one is sex.
Sex. So what are we calling it? Still sex?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's call it sex. The next one.
Farm income.
Farm income.
Okay, so we'll just add how rich, if you guys are okay with it. How rich are these people?
Why didn't you just use income?
Okay, so let me use income. You know, it's family income, not individual income.
Oh, okay, okay.
So let's just use family. Write it in full. Family income. Okay, family income in a string. We can take away all these things. It will still give us our string. Family income, so that our Excel this thing will be clean. Columns will be clean. What is this? Equal to check. Family income. It's farm income, right? This
Yeah.
is how. Mhm. Then next one,
Visit
Visit
date.
visit date.
Mm.
So what do you want us to call it?
date of visit.
Date of visit. Okay. Date of visit. Date of visit. Visit date. Visit date. Okay, what else, guys?
No, it's like you made a
Area.
mistake. Check. Date
Hmm?
of visit. Date of visit. I thought that's the one we want to call it.
Yes, that's what is here.
Okay. Okay, that's the one by the left, huh?
Yes, yes. Which other one, guys?
Area.
Yeah.
Area. What are we gonna call it? Address.
Yes, ma.
Address is what area. Next one.
Vaccinated.
Vaccinated. Okay. So
But you didn't
vaccinated.
use
Should I use vaccination status?
Yes, vaccinated status. Exactly.
Someone wanted to say something, guys.
yeah, you didn't give space before the farm income, or it will not create a problem.
This one, not really, but I can still give space.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Next person.
BMI.
BMI. So let's write in full, okay? Body mass
Body
index.
mass.
Body mass index. Mhm. Body mass index.
BMI.
BMI. Is it small letter or capitals? What did we use? Okay, small
Like
letter.
it's capital, a bit small. I didn't take note of
Yeah, I've
that.
seen it. It popped up.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Any other one?
No. I think that's the
That's
last.
all. That's all. Okay, so let's run through it. Any error? No error. Any error? No error. Okay. So now that we've done it, let's see if we can print healthcare data and see what it shows us. Since we've arranged it as a data frame, healthcare data set. Print healthcare data set. Can we see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, but we don't need it here now. It's the Excel form that we need, right? So all we
Yeah.
need to do is just to, let's save the data set first. Save the data set. Save the data set. And so we'll do healthcare data set. So we want to save it to Excel, guys. The Excel form. Okay. So this is the name we want to give it. We can even leave out this index. There's no need to assign anything. We can always change it when we start. So now we are saving it here, okay? Then it's time to do what? To download. What coding environment are we using?
We are using Google Colab.
Colab. So,
Google Colab.
so from that environment,
Yeah.
Google Colab imports files, and then we download our data set, which is files.download our data set, which is what the healthcare.
That's it.
Set. Okay, all good. Can you see it downloading? Can you see?
Yeah.
So let's open it. Our data set
Wow.
is ready. Yes.
This is beautiful.
So our data set is ready, guys.
Yeah. Yippee!
Looks like there
Yippee!
is one that is big ahead. The space.
Yeah. So you can see. So we have our data set ready. So we don't need index, okay? I wanted you to see it first before I correct it. We don't need index 012.
Yeah.
Let's go back. This is the last bit. So remove the index for us. We do not want the index. Run it again.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a capital
No
letter.
space. Okay.
Capital letter, false. And then download it again. Let's see now. Perfect. Can you guys see?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not giving us that 01. We don't need it. Can put it on now. So our data set is ready, guys, and that's the end of the class for today. We'll continue another day, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Some people have dropped off.
Yes,
Congratulations to
so
those that stayed behind. And
I enjoyed it.
hopefully we'll meet next week and start up our Excel classes. And I wish you guys all the best.